Hello everyone. Here I come up with another lecture which is median. This also comes under measures of central tendency. First see what is median. Median is a central value of the distribution or the value which divides the distribution in equal parts. That is median means there is a middle value. Okay, that is also another form of measures of average or otherwise measures of central tendency. So according to Corno, he defined as the median is that value of the variable which divides the group into two equal parts, one part comprising of all values greater and the other all values lesser than median. Median is a middle value of a variable such that half of the observations are above and half are below this value. This value divides the distribution into two groups of equal size. First, say about calculation of median of discrete series or ungrouped data. As it is we seen in mean, here also there is two different equations, that is calculation of median for group data as well as calculation of median for ungrouped data. First look about the calculation of median for ungrouped data. So this is a rule. Before doing or before calculating median, first the given data should be arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, this is mandatory step. This is the first step. We are supposed to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Next, we can apply the formula. So the formula to calculate median for ungrouped data is n plus 1 by 2th item. So this one you never miss, n plus 1 by 2th item. In the sense, the given data will be arranged in descending or the ascending order. We will find the n here, n denotes the number of observation divided by plus 1 divided by 2, then which value we get. So in that value, which number is the particular position, that is the median of the given data. So this is the example, that is when the number of observation is odd, the median is simply equal to the middle value. See the example here, the given data is 8, 4, 2, 6 and 10. So the number of observation is 5. So when the number of observation is odd data or odd number, simply we can divide the data in equal halves, and which value comes in the middle, that is the median of given series of data. Here also the given data we arranged in the ascending order, that is the smallest number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. In the ascending order we arrange the data first, then find the which value comes in the middle position. That value is median of given data. Then when the number of observation is even, we take the median to be average of two values in the middle of the distribution. Here the example, 10 trees randomly selected from Battle Park. The diameter of trees in inches is 9.8, 10.2, 10.1, 14.5, 17.5, 13.9, 20, 15.5, 7.8 and 24.5. So as it is in the first step, we arrange the data in the ascending order. That is, the smallest number is 7.8 and the highest one is 24.5. And here the number n equal to 10 data. So this is an even number of observation. In such cases, the middle two values as the middle value and find the average of that value. That is median m equal to the middle values 13.9 plus 14.5 and divided by 2. Here we get 14.2 as the median of the given series. Then as we learned in the equation, here we can do another example. So calculate median of ungrouped data. The given data is 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, 5 and 3. The steps we follow: first, arrange the data in ascending order. Even we can arrange in descending order. Here I arrange the data in the ascending order. And next we apply the formula median m equal to n plus 1 by 2th value. Here the n is 10 plus 1 divided by 2, we get 5.5. In such situation, take the 5th and 6th position values and find the mean or find the average of 5th and 6th position value. In this series, the 5th and 6th position values are 5 and 5. So add 5 plus 5 divided by 2. Here gets 5. The median of given data is 5. Next, see the calculation of median for group data. Group data or the continuous series of distribution. In such cases, we calculate median in a median of a given distribution by using the following equation. Here the equation median equal to median, which is denoted by letter m, which is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into I. In some books it says the formula as m equal to, that is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus m divided by F into W. So whichever the letters, that is whatever is the representing description supposed to be the same. So these are the equation for calculating median for group data. In the given formula, n by 2 represents number of score in the group divided by 2. As it is the group data, here n equal to sum of f. And L represents exact lower limit of median class interval. CF represents frequency up to class interval in which median falls. In the sense, we are supposed to add the cumulative frequency. We are supposed to find the cumulative frequency of the given data and CF the value which is the frequency up to. Otherwise, the cumulative frequency just above the median class interval. And F represents frequency at the median class interval and I represents width or size of the class interval. And what are the steps to find median in group data? First, divide the number of score in the group by 2 to give the location of the median class. That is, first find out n by 2th value. That is to find the which is a median class. Then find the exact lower limit of the class interval on which median falls. That is, we find L. Next, find the frequency up to the class interval. This is the highlighting. That is frequency up to the class interval on which median falls. That is CF. As a fourth step, find the frequency at the class interval. Frequency at the class interval on which median falls. That is F. Finally, find the width of the class interval, that is denoted by letter I, and apply on the given formula, that is L median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. In other terms, that is median equal to exact lower limit of the class median class plus n by 2, that is number of observation divided by 2 minus frequency up to the median class interval divided by frequency at the median class interval into width of class interval. This is on calculation, that is calculate the median for the following set of frequency distribution. Here the given data is the marks which is given in class interval and corresponding frequency is given. This is the two data you will be given, that is class interval and frequency will be given. The class intervals are 46 to 50, 51 to 55, 56 to 60, likewise it is 76 to 80. The corresponding frequencies are 2, 1, 5, 7, 3, 2 and 5. So we are supposed to follow the steps. Here the n otherwise sum of frequency is 25. This is what n. As a first step, find the median value, that is n by 2. 25 by 2 comes 12.5. Then see, the 12.5 will include in 50th frequency, that is 12.5 will comes in this group of median class. So here the XL is 61, CF is 8, F is 7 and I, that is width of the class interval, is 5. I repeat here, in this group data, the n is sum of frequency. Here the sum of frequency is 25. The first step, find the median value, otherwise median value to find the, which is the median class interval. That is found by n by 2, n 25 and this divided by 2 we get 12.5. The value 12.5 will comes in frequency of 15, comes in the cumulative frequency of 15. Thus, the median class is 61 to 65 is the median class of given distribution. In such case, the exact lower limit L of given median class is 61. Cumulative frequency, otherwise we denote by CF, that is a frequency up to the median class. That is, we are supposed to add on 2 plus 1 plus 5. Here we get 8. Okay, so 8 is the CF of given data, otherwise cumulative frequency up to the median class, and frequency, the data is the frequency at the median class. Here the frequency at median class is 7 and I denotes the width or size of the class interval. The size is 61 minus 64, that is a difference is 5. Next, we apply this on the formula. The formula is median m equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. So whatever the data, whatever values which we got, we apply here. Finally, we get the value 64.2. So the median of given data is 64.2. While calculating median, you should follow the mathematical rule. That is, first solve the middle position, then multiply with 5, finally add with the 61. So here values come 61 plus 25 by 2 minus 8 divided by 7 into 5. So first you solve the mid position. This one we solve first, then multiply by 5, finally add the 61. So likewise here we got 61 plus, this is 25 by 2, we got 12.5, then minus 8 we got 4.5 divided by 7, then 61 plus 4.5 divided by 7 we get 0.64. This one you multiply by 5, so 61 plus 3.22, it will be add that is 64.2. Another example, find median of this given distribution, that is median age of respondents of given distribution. Here with the data given age group and corresponding frequencies. The age group which is given in a continuous series of data, that is in a class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. The corresponding frequencies are 15, 32, 54, 30 and 19. As a first step, we find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is we add the further, that is the next frequencies with the previous one. So the first frequency is 15 and the second cumulative frequency, that is 15 plus 32 comes 47 plus 54 comes 101 plus 30 comes 131 plus 19 comes 150. Here the n is 150, that is sum of frequency. In this data set, first step, find the median class. To find the median class, we do n by 2. Here n is 150 divided by 2 comes 75. So the score 75 belongs to 101. Thus the median class of this class interval is 40 to 60. So here we can note that L equal to 40, CF, sorry, CF comes 47 and F comes 54. In the analysis, median M equal to, this is the equation, exact lower limit of median class plus n by 2 minus frequency up to the median class divided by frequency at the median class multiplied by width of the class. As we seen previously, L is 40, CF, that is frequency up the class interval is 47, frequency at the median class is 54 and I or width of the median class is 20, n is 150. Apply these values in the formula. 40 plus 150 by 2 minus 47 by 54 into 20. So solve the middle portion first. That is, we got 40 plus 0.52 into 20. So as a second, multiply with I, that is the width of the middle class interval, 40 plus 10.37, so gets 50.37 as the median. So the median of given data is 50.37. What are the merits of median? Median can be calculated in all distributions. Median can understood even by the common people. Median can be ascertained even with the extreme items. It can be located graphically and it is most useful dealing with qualitative data. And the demerits, median is not based on all the values. It is not capable for further mathematical treatments. It is affected fluctuation of sampling. In case of even number of values, it may not the value from the data. These are the demerits of median. Hope you understood about median. Just to summarize, while calculating median is a positional average. This is not the exact average of the given data. This is a positional average of data. We have two formulas, one formula to find the ungrouped data, another one is to find the median of group data. So all these steps were described inside. I hope you understood and come up with suggestions, and also you can suggest the topics which you like to add in further classes, and subscribe for other updates and share with your friends. Thank you.